Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the euro again did try to break down several times and it just keeps on rejecting it. This is often what happens when every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. So for me personally, I am definitely only looking for longs. Now, if we get a good Fibonacci bounce and a good solid break and hold below structure, then I definitely think at that point we can justify looking for shorts. But we definitely do not have a good solid break and hold below structure yet, so I would definitely still be looking for longs. I mean, even these little pushes up right here on shorter time frames would have been really nice continuation trades. So, I mean, I definitely will be continuing to look for these continuation trades, at least until we get some sort of a break to the downside, which we definitely do not have as of yet. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.